Do you grow tomatoes in Japan?
Yeah, a lot.
Lots.
Lots.
Ringa. If you just leave it, fire can jump inside. So you have to close first.
Okay.
Come on back down.
Ah, smells nice.
Okay.
Is matoke.
Yes. Yeah, Mama does not use too much.
Okay.
So put it. It's enough. Enough. Cover.
And how many minutes?
Around 30 or 45.
30 or 45 minutes. Okay. Just keeping fire. Keeping heat. Okay.
Should we put it in?
And can I take also sugar? you put hot water first? Why?
Because you can even put sugar and the leaves first, then hot water. Can I have sugar? Take my sugar.
Thank you. How about this one?
Yeah.
Easy?
Yes, it is for sugar.
This is the method cooked.
Yeah. Looks good.
Good. Wewe grasa chumvi. Mimi naiburga chumvi, grana na chumvi. Kama yarangana. Na den ba sukura garo nyinde tuma me vindi kwa da.
Yabo.
Duarano.
What's the one this?
Mama grana ni video sana.
Okay, thank you. Itadakimasu.
Yes.
Itadakimasu. So I said before eating. I said, itadakimasu. It means thank you for cooking.
Okay. How about praying?
Praying.
Yeah.
It's Christian.
Yeah.
I don't have that for us.
You what?
Buddhist.
Buddhist. You don't pray eating, no?
Not pray. Just say thank you for cooking. Only.
Yeah, okay.
How about you?
I say, God bless these meals which you are going to have in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Blessed food.
Yes.
Can eat.
Thank you.
God.
Yeah.
Ndasa ikari.
Bagi nishi nikage.
Ndasa se. Bunto cha bosaidia. Tera sukuma. Put a posho. Posho for lunch, is it night? Night? Posho.
Posho.
For lunch.
This is lunch.
No, that's breakfast.
This is not posho, right?
No,
what
I say in lunch. Have
Posho.
posho. We cook posho. At
When?
lunch.
When?
Today.
Today. Today I will leave.
This is over. After eating, you go.
Yeah.
Hey.
And come back tonight.
Okay. You eat.
Thank you.
If it is small, add you.
Thank you. It's enough, I think.
Small, add.
Okay. Thank you.
Emma, add you. I can get you to see. Listen to me. Don't be quiet, Quiet, no. Ask.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Okay. I'm hungry.
Not enough. Ask the
Wow.
adult.
Thank you.
Should I add more?
No, thank you. I think it's enough.